Sit in with us, hopefully as much as we can get into. And Scott, Ash, good to meet you. Oh wait, that's a good phone. How do I play this song? I don't use a keyboard, right?
Nope.
That would be awesome, and we're really glad the S is open.